You have serious anti-corruption charges in Goa against the Congress.
That's
you
right.
have serious anti-corruption charges against the BJP and the Akalis in Punjab. So, frankly, to some degree, local factors will I think, trump national factors.
Right. Dilip, your last comments.
My feel is that in some senses the election dates, and since you're focused on that, the election dates show that there is a recognition and taking on board this whole Anna factor in a much bigger way than I thought would be there. And also I think the Election Commission has probably ensured that the reservation thing has just about slipped past the post and will be probably one of those factors which will play a role in the outcomes in at least the most important state, if not in at least maybe even Punjab and Uttarakhand.
Right. Well, that reservation factor that you're saying will slip past and play an important role. Shahid Siddiqui, who's still with us, has actually countered that and said that he does not believe that is going to impact anything significantly on the ground. The figures are too small. Shahid Sahab, your final comments on the campaign preparedness.
No, it's great. I mean, the way Election Commission is going, we welcome it. But I'll say that corruption is a major issue in Uttar Pradesh. But it is the corruption of Mayawati, her legislators, and there have been so many charges. In fact, it is one of the most corrupt states in this country. So corruption is a major issue, but I don't know how far Anna will impact, because Uttar Pradesh is basically the main issue in Uttar Pradesh today is change. It's not Anna, it's not even corruption is important, but the question of change overseats up everything else, because people think that unless you have a major change, the issues of corruption and communalism and casteism cannot be challenged properly.
Right, Shahid Sahab, thanks very much. Rahul, I think you had a comment to make at the end.
Maya, just one worry that the election dates coincide with two elements across these states. One is the farming sector, the harvest season. A lot of voters from UP might be in Punjab, Haryana and other affluent states. And the second is that the last tranche of public works money comes and is being spent in February and March.
Just before
a lot of labourers might be off.
Right. So clearly very interesting factors that we're going to be looking at, and also very interesting times. We're awaiting much action in Parliament as well next week with the Lokpal debate. Let's see how all this